Hi everyone, Marcia Lego here with Keller Williams, and today I'm going to be taking on a tour of 243 Emerald Street North in Hamilton, Ontario. This charming 1.5-story home is located close to the downtown core, where you can walk to local parks, shopping, public transit, and the hospital. You are also just minutes away from all major amenities such as West Harbour GO Station, trendy James Street North, Bayfront Park, Pier 7 Boardwalk, and so much more. This bright and spacious home is way bigger than it looks and features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, eat-in kitchen, living room, dining room, main floor laundry room, and more. It's beautifully landscaped at the front and offers 3 parking spots out back. The fully fenced backyard features a rear covered patio with stamped concrete, which makes it perfect for entertaining or to just sit back and relax. If you like what you see and you don't want to miss out on this fantastic opportunity, call to book your private showing today.